Yes, look at the board, children. There are some statements in past tense. I went to house. I came to school. I wrote a story. I took a book. I ate a mango. I drank water. I saw a tiger. I helped my friend. So you have to change these sentences into negative form. I will ask you one by one. You have to tell me what is the negative sentence. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Raise your hands if you want to answer me. You must raise your hand. Okay? I went to school. Yes.
I did not go to school.
Very good. I did not go to school. I came to school. Yes.
I did not come to school.
I did not come to school. Good. I wrote a story. Yes.
I did not write a story.
I did not write a story. I took a book. Pavan.
I did not take a book.
I did not take a book. I ate a mango. Amaraswar.
I did not eat a mango.
I did not eat a mango. Good. I drank water. Modin.
I did not drink water.
I did not drink water. Yes. I saw a tiger. I saw a tiger. Yes.
I did not see a tiger.
I did not see a tiger. I helped my friend. Yes.
I did not help my friend.
I did not help my friend. Good. Very good.